Sargam Academy English Anayasam സംസാരിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്ന ഈ പാഠ്യപദ്ധതിയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. Hi friends, now let's learn about the usage of how much and how many. How much is uncountable and how many is countable. We use these to ask questions, to frame questions. How many cars are parked over there? There. 30 cars are parked over there. See? How many is countable, so it takes a plural auxiliary, are. And how much is uncountable, so it takes a singular helping verb auxiliary, that is. How much milk is there in that bottle? In that bottle, there is 1 liter of milk in that bottle. How much milk is there in the refrigerator? There is 1 liter of milk in the refrigerator. How many of you are cricketers? 3 of us are cricketers, cricket players. Are, see, 3 of us are, because how many is countable. How much money is there in your account? There is 50,000 rupees in my account, uncountable. When you say money in general, it is taken as uncountable. How many villas are there in this colony? In this colony, there are 25 villas in this colony. Countable. How much water is there in the tank? There is 500 liters of water in the tank. So, how much and how many? How much is uncountable, whereas how many is countable. Thank you. Sargam Academy YouTube channel സന്ദർശിക്കുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടുവെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്.